Over 40 million Americans adore coffee, yet many can't savor its rich flavor due to stomach troubles. Surprising, isn't it? The high acidity and compounds like chlorogenic acids in coffee can unleash chaos on sensitive stomachs, leading to irritation, burning sensations, and nausea. But here's the good news: you don't need to give up your cherished morning routine. Discover 5 incredible alternatives that not only taste amazing but are also gentle on your stomach. First up, golden milk turmeric lattes. Imagine sipping on a warm golden elixir that's packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. Turmeric and ginger work together to calm your digestive system, providing you with lasting energy. No dreaded crash in sight. Next, meet Chory Root Coffee. Picture a steaming cup that captures coffee's familiar flavor while being rich in fiber and promoting gut health. Plus, it's naturally caffeine-free. Then there's green tea, a delightful brew offering a gentle caffeine lift and the calming effects of L-theanine. It's easy on the stomach and perfect for a peaceful morning. Herbal teas like peppermint and chamomile wrap you in soothing warmth, helping to heal your digestive tract with every sip. Finally, dandelion root tea presents a delicious, earthy flavor that satisfies your cravings without the harsh acidity. Your sensitive stomach doesn't have to control your mornings anymore. Try one of these delightful options tomorrow and experience the difference. Which one will you pick? Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.